Really? Even though you have 3 days of fireworks, still your peanuts is so small. Gago. Ala, tinawanan ko, B. How can you, how can you, paputok if your fireworks is so small? How can you make it, na peanuts na guma? Yeah, how can your peanuts go boom if your this is your peanut like this, then how can you like that? Ayoko na gago, ayoko na. No, 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 no. Ala, Nikki, trip ka nila, Nikki, oh. Ano? Uy, ipakita ko fireworks ko kaso saan? Saan? Ano ipapakita mo? Fireworks mo? Gago ko. Tingnan mo. Pag be, masisira ang buhay mo. Appetizer lang daw, be. Hindi siya meal. Payag ka na, Nikki. Appetizer sa'yo. Ay! 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 Actual virus. Uy, dahil to sa inyo, guys. Guys, because of you, I'm going insane. You're just appetizer daw, Nikki, oh. You are so funny. Alo, hindi mo na kailangan. Alo, Nikki, oh. You doesn't have to wear underwear though. Because there's no, bakat-bakat de. Alam, Nikki, pinagtutulungan ka nila, oh. Guys, it's okay to have a small peanut, you know. It's normal. But Nikki is not pala na, ayoko na. No, it's not okay. Hala, Nikki, gogi. It's never okay. Pinagkakaisahan ka, oh. Okay. Enjoy. Ang fire, oo, alam ko. Di naman yan puputok, be, kasi small.